Good day. I am Lawrence Anthony Gemidilla. Today I will show you my final output in computer programming. Now let's go to Finder. Let's open my final project or output. My final output is titled Mobile Network Identifier. So this program will identify the type of a network of the inputted number. So let's start by running this code or program. As you can see, it shows a three different options. Number one is enter a new prefix. Number two is identify the mobile number. And number three is the exit. Let's start with the number one. So we press one and press enter. It shows a add a new prefix. This prefix will add a new number and we will select a type of new network for that number. We will try 09 or 6 or it actually a 4-digit number only. So 0946, I press enter and it shows the different types of networks that we will prefix in that inputted number. So there are 6 different types of networks. So we choose number 2 and we press enter. So it shows that the encoded number is successfully saved in TNT network. So it will ask again to add a different number. So we would add again a different prefix number. We will enter yes. So 09 3 5. So we will choose this number. We'll choose the network sample page or we'll press enter. So yes, it 0935 is also successfully saved in this network. So do you want again? So no, we press, we enter no and press enter. So we will go to the next option, which is the identify the mobile number. In this case, we will input a 11-digit mobile number and this program will identify its network or mobile network. So we press number 2 and enter. And then we enter a mobile number. For example, this is an 11-digit mobile number. We will enter 0928 567. So we will press enter and then it will identify what type of network is that number that is inputted. So we press enter and it shows that the phone number is a smart network. And then we will try again, press enter, and then we will enter a mobile number 0909 123 256 51, and then we press enter again. And that shows that the phone number is a TNT. So let's try the other networks. we will try again another number that is some prepaid. So enter yes, and we enter 0931467680. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will press enter and number doesn't exist. So we'll try again a new number. And yes, and we will try 0996 5, 6, 8, 9, 0. So it was enter. And the phone number is identified as a Cherry prepaid network. So do you want to try again? No. You press N and then press enter and it will go back to the options and we will press exit. So number 3 and then press enter and then it will display a thank you message. So that's all. That's all the content of this program. And thank you.